Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. Those all really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is some cool little floating shelves that are designed to show off all your knickknacks, your spices, all kinds of stuff. So they are by a company called luium. This is the box it's going to come in, just a plain brown box. And they come in a 2-pack or a 4-pack. So once you open it up, you get the little shelves right here. Now, so I have the black version. They also come in white. And as you can see, they're nice little small acrylic looking shelves, and these are perfect if you're going to use them in the bathroom. You can hang photos up, put photos on them. If you're going to put them in your kitchen, you can use spices on them. If you want them by your bed, you can use it to hold your phone. Basically, it's a very versatile little mini shelf. So to give you an idea of the size of this, it is 9¼ inches wide by approximately 4 inches deep, and about this little piece right here is about 2 3/4 inches tall. Now they can mount 2 different ways. So inside the box, you are going to get a bag that has 4 screws and 4 anchors, basically 2 screws for each one. Or you're going to get a bag of a bunch of adhesive sticky pads, which you can use to adhesively adhere it to the wall if you don't want to basically use the screws. Now, it is worth noting that with the screws, this is going to support approximately about 12 pounds, depending on whether or not it's going into a stud and all that kind of stuff. But if you're using the sticky pads, that's going to be a lot less weight. It's going to only hold about 5 pounds. So keep that in mind, whichever method of install that you want to use. Now, another thing that I'd like to point out that's kind of cool with this shelf, it is have a little hole right here in the center. So the concept with this hole is, for example, if you are using it in your bedroom or something, you can run a USB cable or something down there that will allow you to charge up a phone or power up a clock or something like that. So they give you that versatile ability to where you can run power through the shelf instead of having a cord drape over the side. Personally, I'm using these in my son's room, which you can see they're mounted kind of next on the wall here, and we're using them for Legos and various little decorations and knickknacks for his room. But overall, that is the ins and outs of these cool little floating shelves. So if you're looking for something to just add a little decoration in your house or your apartment, these are pretty cool, pretty affordable, and easy to install. And they're not very big, so you can kind of put them in little spaces around your house where you don't need a lot of room, which is really, really cool about them. Like I said, that is it. If there is something that I didn't cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And like I said, check out the link to see the current price point and all that fun stuff. And that is it until the next video. So you guys, take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.